Hello everyone, welcome to the Gourmet Gharana. We have a super quick recipe today using leftovers that will make a complete meal just by itself. So let's check it out. Last night we had very little leftover keema and none of us was in the mood to cook. So my husband made this amazing keema omelette that was extremely filling and oh so yummy. The keema in the recipe can be replaced with either shredded chicken or paneer if you are a vegetarian. For this recipe, we will use 2 eggs. Add onions, green chilies, cilantro and whisk it up well. Now, melt 1.5 tablespoons of butter in a pan over medium-low heat. Once the butter melts, pour the whisked eggs in the pan and spread evenly. Flip over carefully when the omelette is almost set. Spread the sauce of your choice. We use the Swat chili garlic sauce. Then layer the keema over the sauce and add some more sauce. This time we used my very favorite, the Maggi hot and sweet ketchup. Garnish with cilantro and fold the other half over the keema. And voila! The keema omelette is ready. Definitely give this recipe a try. We are sure you will love it. Thanks for watching.